now let's go back to why it's important to include bias terms. So what value these bias terms bring. And we'll use this graph as a simple example to illustrate this point. Recall that earlier, whenever we did not have a bias term in our original example, that the output of our hidden node, the graph of that output was required to cut through the origin. It didn't have any freedom to move about the y-axis. So this is equivalent to saying that whatever line we plot, that we can vary the slope as much as we want, but the y-intercept must always be 0. So as a simple example, imagine that we have these 2 points here on this graph. And suppose that we have an objective here to model the line that best fits this data set of these 2 points. Well, with no bias term, or in other words, having the requirement that our y-intercept of this line is 0, then this line that we have here is the best that we can do. And we can see that we have some error here for this point and more error here for this point. So even though this is the best that we can do with this requirement of having a y-intercept equal to 0, we can see that we have this error here.